Basically, ASUS Store is a blended word of the word ASUS and storage. Kaya ASUS Store. So ASUS directly invested to this company last 2011, and ASUS Store basically is a NAS company. So, are you guys aware of what a NAS is? Yes. So, who are not aware, so NAS is a network attached storage. So, it's a device connected to your router, and you can access it through LAN, through HDMI, or through the internet. This is like your Google Drive. So, sino gumagamit dito ng Google Drive? Madami, di ba? So, very, very useful